Zombie apocalypse.
This is AGA Forest. So as I promised, I'm going to show you how to use this awesome indicator, awesome EA with your system. So now let's kick it. And before I go, let me first of all start giving you the settings for that strategy, because we are going to use the settings as well. So we'll use the strategy, we'll use the EA as a confirmation. Let me give you the settings first. The first moving average, use the 50 moving average. Let me insert indicators, moving average. Okay, 50 period, shift 0, apply to close, method smooth, color red, pixel 4 no, I don't want this in one, so let me just make it 2 pixel here. So I think that's all. No levels, nothing. Okay, that's just it. Then we'll put our second indicator, average. The second indicator is 200 moving average. I think 200 moving average. Method exponential, apply to close, color blue, 4 pixel, 2 pixel. Let me leave it 2 pixel. So the next one is our black moving average. So in this case, because my background is black, I'll make it white. So in the other in the one I'm giving you example on when I say when the green and the black moving average cross. So here we say when the green and the white moving average cross. So that's just it. Sorry, I'm having catch-up because of cold, but I'm getting better. So the settings for this moving average period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, color white, since we are changing it from black to white because we have white background, pixel 2 pixel, that's all. Then the last indicator is the last moving average, sorry, on the main chart is the green moving average, which has a setting of 25 period, 25, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, color green, pixel 2, click OK. Yeah, I'm going to make it on. Let me change the color. Let me make it dark green. Let me make it white. It's still there. Make it white green and light green. Sorry. Let me see. Maybe change so you can see here. So you can see there is another signal here. There's another signal here. See how this market moved. This one. Let me just give you a recap, a small recap before we continue. This is it. This is our first confirmation when the two crossed. This is our second confirmation. Here. See, the second confirmation is here. Let me show you. See, this is the first confirmation on the blue. I think I have to up my data because I need to do this clear. Yeah, let's up my data. Okay. So this is it. You can see this is the first confirmation here in the white and the green cross. That's the first confirmation. And the second confirmation is when this red, when this green and white cross this red here. So you ride the trend, look at it, the market go, it's still up here. So I missed this entry earlier today. I will have bring it here for you to see live and direct. But anyways, before we finish, let me continue. Let me put the other indicator. I think it's RSI. RSI indicator. Relative stress index. Period 40. All these things should be there in your background color. Black. Let me use black. So the levels. The levels. Let me delete them all. Number 1 is 20. Number 2 is 80. Number 3 is 10. 20. Color, make it red. And the moving average that I'm going to insert here. Let me click here, insert moving average. Okay, let me do it this way. Navigator. Indicators. Moving average. Make them 40. Period 40. So I'm done. So let me go and copy my EA. My EA is here. Let me copy and come back to this thing. Go to file. Open data folder. You see this. What is it called? MLQ. You paste it here, and you go and open this indicators. No, let's add and paste it here as well. Paste it here. Then you close your back and you close it here, and you close your empty file. Let's close it again. Sorry. So let's open it again. Sorry, I'm doing something on the screen already. Since I closed it. So I think our EA should be here now. And this is it. This support and resistance. You see it. You just drag it down to this place. Modification. So we are done now. So you can see our EA don't show up. Our EA is here. Our EA is here. So what are the conditions that you need to take before you take this trade with this EA? If you are using 5 minutes chart, you are good to go. If you are using 15-minute chart, you are good to go. Because with this EA, you can use 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart and 1-minute chart to trade that strategy I give to you. But for now, I'm going to use 1-minute chart. Okay, so let's see. You see, we zoom out completely. What is going on here? Let's assume we have. Let's go back to this level that we just entered. See here. See at this point. You see. This point you can see I'm sorry, I think I need to up this data, and if I up this data, this is my video recorder, I think will stop. I don't want it. Okay, let me just quickly do it. Mhm. anytime this green, you see this green, if you know this blue, sorry, this blue, you see this blue line, see, like dot. This blue line, anytime the market spike, anytime you go to your entry, as I was saying, you have to make sure you use your sense while doing all these things, because it will help you. Okay, let me show you what is happening here. If you are used to forex trading, you know this is what we call triple bottom. Another first bottom here, second bottom here, and the third bottom here, and this is it. This green, this blue you are seeing is this support, and the green is the resistance. So anytime market come and break this resistance, the market needs to continue going up. So what you want to do is that anytime, okay, for instance here, you see we have get our first confirmation here. Let me even take this thing away. We have gotten your first confirmation here. This is it. This is where we get our first confirmation here. You see, this is where they crossed. What happened? They crossed on top of resistance. That's number one signal. What where is my let me just pick another one. So this is the second confirmation. The second confirmation is here. You see, the market has crossed above resistance and it has crossed above this red line. You just need to take your buy from this point. Just buy and ride the trend. If it is crash 1000, you will target 60 candles. If it is boom 1000, you will target 60 candles. If it is crash 500, you will target 60 candles. So let me show you how the market continues to move. You see what happened. See the market from this point you enter, market go, even though it meets resistance here and spike again. I told you this strategy, you don't have to fear spike. Even if spike caught you multiple times, you will not be worried. Assuming you enter from here, you see how many spike caught you. Let me count. How many spike caught you? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will still take your TP. Let me even check the TP. Let's assume we enter at 1656. Let's say 1565. Okay, 1565 plus 60. I mean 16705. 16705. It's 11705. This is exactly where your market will hit your TP. From this point, 60 candles. Gallant, you get your 60 candles and go. So the same thing applied to spike too. You can use this strategy to spike. You see, as this is where the market, this is where the market stopped. This is why you gave your 50 candles. And you, if I were you, I will still wait, because this market has continued going up. It's come and form double top here. So the market come back and retest this resistance. Look at it. This is previous resistance turn support. Look at it here. See, the market has come back and touched it. What happened? I will still place, since the market has formed what is it called, a double bottom for me. I'll just place my buy here. From here, I'll still target more candles from this point. You see, first bottom, second bottom, and I wait for this thing to cross. As they cross here, and they cross on top of resistance, I will just place my buy. Even this spikes caught me, almost 3 good spikes caught me, but still I am not in loss, because it did not come back to my word, to my entry. And this is my entry. This is my entry where they cross. I told you, if the price, or you can even use this one as your entry, if the price, if the green and the white moving average are all below the 200 moving average, and the market retraces downward and it's trying to go back again, anytime they cross upward, you'll just buy. Places like here, you'll just buy. Here, you'll just buy. See, anytime they cross, come down. As far as the market did not break this, as far as the market did not break this former resistance that turned support, and it started going up. As you just see this support come out, because this line usually used to come out up there the market retrace. So the market needs to make like 2 to 3 to 4 candles before you can see this support. As you see the spot appear, my brother, you don't even have to, if you are using this strategy, you don't even be focusing too much on this one, though it's important, but this main chart is not too much important. Let me even remove it for now. I just put it so that I can explain it better for you people, but you don't too much need it. Let me remove this thing now. Okay, let me go up my indicators. Let me just close it down. Anyway, so this is it about that. You see how the market is moving, how it's moving. You see, so this is for flash 1000, and I think this is where I will stop. I don't want the video to be. You see this in the case of spike, look at it here very well. The market has formed 1, 2, 3. We call this either triple top or inverted heads and shoulder, because this is another shoulder, this is another shoulder here, and this is head. So you see, after the market, after these two moving averages cross here, first confirmation. This is first confirmation. Let me zoom it out now. This is first confirmation. Let me show you how to catch spike with this strategy. Let me show you how to catch spikes with this strategy. Sorry. For how to catch spike. This is it. Let me put this here. So let me zoom out now so that I'll go and get this thing. I'm sorry, let me just go and get my trend line that I put, because it will help me to explain this thing better. So this is it. You see, after this confirmation, this first confirmation, this is where they cross here. This is where they cross. So you'll just wait for the two moving averages to still give you your second confirmation. That's when they cross the red and the blue. This is which is here. So immediately after this candle, you'll just wait for the market to retrace up. As it retraces up, you just wait for the market to form another resistance, telling you that the market needs to go down again. So you just place your sell order here. See, it's come and meet support, bounce up, come back, bounce up, it will come down, bounce up, come down, bounce up, till when these two moving averages, this green and white, till when they cross here. As they cross at this point, this is where you exit your market. So you have captured the whole of this trend. Imagine all of this trend. This one. I'll try and find time and create something. Good for you, so that I'll give you a signal on how to catch spike with this strategy as well. So you see, you can catch spike as well. You can catch this long spike. Imagine now. Imagine you are lucky to catch this long spike here. You are lucky to catch this long spike here. Long spike. How many pips? Pips are just too much. If you get these pips, my brother, even with 0.02 lot size, you'll not trade again till next year. Sorry. See, you can catch spike with it. It's very, very possible to catch spike. See another one here too. You see another one here. Look at it. After you get your first confirmation here, See, this is where your first confirmation is. First confirmation. What will be the second confirmation? When they cross the red moving average, which is here, somewhere around here. So you could just wait and enter your market at this point. What happened? You ride this spike. If I were you, as this market give me 3 good spike, if I were you, if you are targeting spike, let me tell you the average candles you need to take. Let me check from here. 11,876, 11,876, 11,876, 11,844. Okay, if you are targeting spike, you can be putting your stop loss or take profit as well. You can be putting your take profit at 80 candles, 60 candles, 60 candles for spike and 60 candles for normal trend. 60 candles for spike, 60 candles for normal trend, but that is for 1,000 and crash 1,000. For 500, 30 candles, or you put 30 candles as you have stop take profit for spike. I think I will end this video here. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, like and share. And for those that are new to this channel, this is our YouTube channel. I have this video, you can go and watch it. It's very good. Boom and crash. There are some videos that you need to go and watch. There are 2 candle strategies, 5 candle strategy, 10 candle strategy. This is how you get 600 pips in a day. It's very possible. This one is a live trading back test. This one how to get $750 with this strategy every day. This is the settings for the strategy. I give you the settings as well. And this one how to use the strategy to trade forex. And this is another live signal I gave yesterday. And also I'm going to give you the signals, the settings for this strategy. For those that are trading forex, I'm going to send you the settings very soon. Please, I'm sorry. And whoever did not get the EA, please, you should just holler me on Telegram, join the channel, just chat me privately. I will send you the EA. That was just it. So imagine you enter market here. After this first and second confirmation, you ride the trend up to this point. Do you know how many pips is that? It's more than 250 pips, my brother. You can make killing with this strategy. You can make killing. See, to this point, from this point to 200 to more than, it's more than 200 pips that it's here. See? So that's just it about that. I think I'm done for now. AGF Forex. See you in my next video. Bye.